fantastic. That cut. Whoa, that's kind of scary. That cut really well. Every Man's Pocket EDC or EMP EDC. This is the unboxing. I'm gonna just open it up, check it out, take a look at it. My good friend at Nathan's Knives, Knives. I'll put a link in the description below. He is the one who recommended this knife to me, so we're gonna open it up, take a look at it, see what it's all about. This is the most expensive knife that I've ever owned. So I'm gonna open it up with a knife that Nathan has actually customized. That was a horrible flick. Hey, there we go. This is I think the squid. Nathan designed this one. So you can kind of see just the front plate there. I don't know what it's called, but he used some G-Carta design. I bought it because I like green. It's my favorite color. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna open this baby up and go from there. I like to open up the whole package on all corners because I'm weird like that. Ooh. So we got I've got my laptop here because I know nothing about this. I know it's got some titanium stuff. I know it's got some steel. If you really want details on the full specs of this knife, go to my friend Nathan's page. He's got a lot more in-depth things with knives and stuff like that. Got a few loose components in there. I don't even know what it's gonna look like. You're seeing this before I am. Oh, it's not even out of the silly goose. Box looks really cool, sturdy. I like sturdy boxes. Put it out there for display. Throw away, do not eat silica gel for freshness. Comes in another case. This one's even more cool. It's got some stitching on it with a man and some atom looking symbol on it. So that's pretty neat there. Very sturdy, very nice. First looks, EMP EDC RONIN, steel blade L-Max. Date of birth, May 23rd, first run. I feel special doing some first run unboxing. EMPEDC.com. Also, you can go check them out. Let's see. Yeah, we got ourselves a sticker. Yeah, I like stickers. Moment of truth. Oh, hey, never mind. We got one, two. We got two stickers. EMP, bomb, boom. And then another one. So we got 3 stickers total. I could eat stickers. So good. Okay, nothing else. That's the case. All right, here we go. We're gonna slowly, gently slide this baby out and this is nice. I got the black washed bronze with the stone washed blade. I like bronze, I like brass, anything brass. I play a few brass instruments, so that's why I got this one. So I'm just gonna admire that for a few seconds. Looks real good. Okay, first thing right off the bat, I noticed that the hardware is a little bit brighter. It's a little more, pops out a little more than the the clip. Sorry, not the spacer, the clip. The clip's a little bit darker than the screws and the hardware. As you can kind of see, it's a little bit more darker. The spacer is also kind of the same color as the clip, which is really nice. I do like the shininess of the screws, well presented. He's also got his logo here. I kind of went off of my friend Nathan's channel in terms of what to look at and things to look for. The knife is pretty centered in the middle. As you can see there, it's a good sign that when you flick it open, it's not gonna deviate to the left or to the right. Let's flick it. Let's see how it works. It's got the little lever here. So we'll flick it from this side. I'm horrible at this, so give me some grace. Okay. Let's do that again. That was horrible. Let me do it with my left hand because my right thumb, I busted it yesterday. put a little more power into it. Let's do that one more time. Okay, that's nice. One more time, here we go. That felt much more smooth. I'm a fan of the Tonto blade. Feel very Tonto-ish. I'm a Tonto kind of guy. So this is gorgeous. It's very light. Compared to even to this, it feels almost the same weight, and it's 25% bigger than this little squid. But if you want to know the weight of it, that's also on my friend Nathan's page. He's got the full details of everything. I'm just here to do a review. Like I said before, I'm not really a knife guy, but I wanted to get it because it looked cool and he convinced me to get it. So it's an LMAX blade, I believe. Titanium handle. Also, the hardware is titanium as well, which is fantastic. It looks good, it feels good. Everything kind of sits just right. My hands are really small, so this handle feels fantastic for my hand. So it's got this little notch here right in the middle of the blade too, so when you really want to dig into some branches or things to cut plastic, that was fantastic. That cut, whoa, that's kind of scary. That cut really well. Fantastic. My number is on the inside of it. My number is 85. I'm assuming that's 85 of this specific knife. It's got the LMAX name on it. Lines up fantastically. There's no divot. It doesn't look like there's any teetering in it. Smooth, straight, like an arrow. I'm new to this, so work with me. Let's see how it closes. Gently. Because I don't want to cut myself here. Oh, I had my hand on the top of the blade. So here we go. It's got a little bit of a stick to it. Oh. I think with time it'll flick a little bit or it'll drop a little bit easier. We'll try it again here. Overall, this thing looks sweet. I'm gonna bring it around with me everywhere. I'm gonna cut some stuff like envelopes, cardboard boxes, and if I ever go camping, maybe some wood, some small branches. Maybe if a lady gets her hair caught in a branch or something, I can cut that branch and save her day. Fantastic. Oh my gosh. That was smooth. It's getting better and better as the video goes on. It's great. Overall review, fantastic knife. Would I buy it again? Yes. It's got that perfect angle too. I love that angle. So it just cuts in straight. So good. With that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. This is the EMP EDC RONIN. Unfortunately, it's sold out. I don't know if they're making any more runs of it. I hope they do so that other people can experience what I'm experiencing right now at this moment and hold excellence in their hands. It's fantastic. It's a good piece of workmanship, and I'm going to admire this for a while here. So if you want to join me, you can. If you don't, go watch something else on YouTube. If you want the full specs on their website, they have everything. And then until next time, that's it. That's all I've got. Have a good day, guys.